Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use mods on WeMod. Welcome to this video, I'll teach you how to use mods on WeMod. Right now, we are using playing the game Fallout Shelter to use the mods on WeMod. As I've told in a previous video of mine, I made a video on how to use the WeMod. If you don't have Pro, and I'll give you a little tip for you guys. If you don't have Pro, you can just click on F1, F2, F3, and Control F1, Control F2. If you don't know, and if you don't know that, watch my previous video. And so right now, how to use the mods in WeMod. I'm going to teach you how to do that. To use the mods in WeMod, here are the available mods right now. They're allowed to use. As you can see, you can do the unlimited health, super speed, and so on and so forth. Everything that are in here. And another thing on mods in WeMod, you can click on mod settings. When you click on mod settings, you can change the game source right here, but only if you have the Xbox. And you will be able to change the source into Xbox, and it will have different options for you guys in your mods. And you can also choose the mod versions. For example, you have the Fallout Shelter, but a earlier game of it, um let's say 15:31:17. So if you have that kind of version of the Fallout Shelter, this one's going to click on that. After clicking on it, it will display a different set. As you can see, with the different set, a little bit is different. And there you go. And if you have the latest version like me, click on that. There you go. So yeah. And on using mods, and here's another thing about mods in WeMod, you can also change the sound volume. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, once you're here at your settings, click on right here customization. You can customize your sounds. Like you can customize your sound, as you can see. We have mod sounds. We can turn it off, or we can turn it on, and we can also change the volume of it. There you go. There you go. Change the volume to 100, and here is the mod sound. Let's listen to it. There we go. There you go. When it's on, and when you turn it off, we can change it to melodic, and that turns off. We can change it to retro. There you go. You can, there you go. Melodic. There you go. So, and you can also change the theme of the mods right here. The purple, green, orange, dark, but it's only allowed for pro members only. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that's about it with the mods. And a little bit of a quick tip for you. There's a different type of mods and a different type of what do you call this game. For example, you're using Epic, and then you have that game on the Steam store. They will have different options. For example, I'm gonna teach you right here. Say state of decay. Wait, wait. First stop playing here. Look here, right here, battle realms, Steam. These are the options when you with GOG. Doesn't have any options for that. Same with other games. Like for example, let's do change one game right here. There's Cyberpunk. Has different types. Here are the different when you use Epic, and on Steam. Here are the stuff. Here are the cheats on, and on GOG. Yeah, there you go. So it has different types on different platforms. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.